Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software platforms, which is Xero and RefreshMe. So to get started with a quick analysis and the breakdown about these two accounting platforms. So starting with the Xero is a cloud-based accounting powerhouse used by a small to mid-sized business and accounts worldwide. It offers a full suite of features, including invoicing, bank reconciliation, payrolls, inventory, and advanced reporting. It's built for skills and collaboration with your account to finance team. Talking about RefreshMe, on the other hand, is a lightweight expense management and reporting tracking tools focused on simplicity and automation. It's also designed for solopreneur freelancers who want to track receipt categorize expenses, and also generate a simple report without dealing with a complex accounting software. Now, talking about what these two platforms are best for, starting with the Xero is best for small to mid business, growing a startup, and accounting teams. And also, the RefreshMe is best for freelancers and self-employed, together with a professional and a micro business. I'm talking about the price plan about this platform. You can just simply get back to the website just to get the full details and the full analysis about the pricing plan for each of these platforms. But for a starting price, but if you want to opt in for this plan, you can get a starting price of $15 per month together with a $42 per month for most business user. I'm talking about RefreshMe. You can get the pricing plan for a free trial plan around $3.99 per month, and also have a free trial which is for the premium features. And here's the very conclusion. So you can choose the Xero if you need a full accounting functionalities and also collaborate with an accountant, or a plan to scale your business in a trusted and all-in-one tools for a serious bookkeeping. And on the other side, you can go for RefreshMe if you are a freelancer or a solopreneur who just want an easy receipt tracking and expense categorization with a zero friction. So that's it. Let me know what your takes about these two accounting software and which of these will be a better option for you and your business. Thanks.